Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Top Technical Guide. Today I will show you 3 ways to check motherboard model in your Windows PC. So it's simple actually. There are 3 ways and let's start. First, there's always command prompt. So go to run, you can press Windows R and type CMD and enter. So here you type WMIC baseboard as motherboard, type get product key, the product, comma, and the manufacturer. Make sure that your spellings are correct. If your spellings are correct, it might show some error. So please check your spelling before entering. So press enter, and here you find manufacturer, it's Dell, and the product is 068FKZ. So in this way you can know your motherboard model and the product. So this was the first way. So the second method is, let's exit it. Second method is, again, go to run, yes, and type DXDIAZ and enter. Yes, so here you can see the system manufacturer is Dell INC and the system model is Latitude E5470. Right, so in this way you can also know your motherboard model without turning up your laptop or computer. So there's one more method, simple method, that will show your motherboard model. So let's exit and go for the third method. Go to run again. Yes, it's every time it's run. So type, you have to type here MS info 32 and enter. So here, right here, baseboard manufacturer Dell INC dot baseboard product 0C8FKZ. So you can find it. You also will be, you drag down and you'll find these baseboard mother and everything will be at the bottom sometimes. So drag it down and check carefully. Yeah. So I hope you get how you will check your motherboard model, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel and please help me to grow it, and please like the video and share it to your friends. Thank you. See you next video.